In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a document from compatibility mode in Word. If you've ever opened a file and noticed the phrase compatibility mode in the title bar at the top of Word, that means the document was created in an older format. Word opens it with certain modern features turned off, so the file stays compatible with earlier versions. Converting it updates the file to the current Word format, which unlocks all the latest editing tools, layout options, and performance improvements. Start by opening the document that shows compatibility mode next to its name in the title bar. You'll see this label at the very top of the Word window, right beside the file name. With the document open, head to the File tab in the upper left corner. This takes you into the Backstage view, where you can manage document settings. On the left, select Info if it isn't already highlighted. This section provides details about the file, including its format and any compatibility notes. On the Info page, look for the Convert option. Clicking Convert tells Word to upgrade the document to the latest format. When you select it, Word will display a message explaining that the file will be updated and that certain layout or formatting elements may change slightly to take advantage of newer features. This is normal, especially with very old templates or documents that were heavily formatted in previous versions. Take a moment to review the message so you know what to expect. If everything looks good, click OK to confirm. Word will process the conversion, which usually takes just a moment. The content of your document remains intact, but the file is now optimized for the current version of Word. This means features like improved collaboration, newer design elements, and more advanced editing tools are available for use. To finish up, save the document. You can click the Save icon, choose Save from the File menu, or use the standard keyboard shortcut. Saving finalizes the conversion and updates the file in its new format. After you save, the compatibility mode label will disappear from the title bar, confirming that the document has been fully converted. From here on, you can edit, format, and share the file, knowing it's using the latest Word capabilities. And that's all there is to it. Open the document, go to File and Info, click Convert, confirm with OK, and then save. You've now converted your document out of compatibility mode and unlocked the full power of Word's modern features.